This is the Walensee broad fork tool. It's supposed to be able to till up your soil and cultivate it at the same time. It's one of the least expensive broad forks that I can find, and I wanted to do a quick review just to see if it would withstand and hold up to its claims. When the broad fork first came in, it was well packaged within its box. As I went to assemble it, everything went together smoothly, and it felt nice and strong once I put all the bolts in. It also came with some temporary little wrenches to put it together. The wrenches are not the best, but it did work. Now let's take this outside and try it in some Georgia clay. I will be planting some corn here this year, and I needed to get this soil tilled up. It has been compacted, or I should say has not been tilled for at least 30 years, so this should be a great test. The instructions do say that if the ground is hard like this is, not to put the forks all the way into the ground. They only go probably about halfway. So let's see if we can test that out. Okay, they're going in relatively easily. I'm hitting something down there, so let's just try it right here and see how it goes. Well, that wasn't that bad. I'm guessing now that I'm already partly in, I can go deeper a second time. Yeah, that was actually pretty nice. Now that I have it tilled up a good distance going this way, I'm going to rotate these forks 90 degrees just to see how well it actually tills up the soil right there. Oh yeah, I like this. Yes, it is a little bit of manual labor, but if all you're doing is a small garden, this could come in really handy. Now I'll move the camera back just a little bit because I want to show you how rigid this frame actually is when I'm using it. So if we go to till some ground there, these stay nice and solid. Now if we take a close look at the soil, there's a large rock, there's a really large rock. So I found that as long as you're gentle with these forks, even in the larger rocks, as long as there's not a ton of them, seems to be working really well. Now I am 5'11" and my waist is right up here. So the top of the handle, when the forks are in the ground, come a little bit above my waist. So if you're much taller than me, then this right here might be a little bit on the short side, but overall works well for me. So if you're 5'11" or shorter, this should work great for you. After some quick heavy use, as you can see here, all the welds are holding up nicely. All the forks are still nice and straight. So, on quick review, so far, this tool seems like it's going to do its job very well. I just got done tilling up an 8x12 plot for my garden, and I dealt with roots, rocks, and even blocks of concrete. And if you look here, you won't see a single bent tooth. This tool rocks.